So if you want to search the product by using your camera or image in your Amazon app, you have to go and simply open up your Amazon app here. Once you have opened up your Amazon app, you have to make sure that you have a login to your account, and you have to go and click on the search bar. On the search icon, you can see the microphone and scan option. Just go for the scan option here. Once you have clicked on the scan option, you have to go for the allow permission here. So you can take a photo to source products. So just go and click the one of the photos here. So they are sorting the item here. So you have to wait until the Amazon lens has successfully sourced the item. So here you can see that they have successfully sourced the product here. So also you can go back and you can go for your barcode of your icon here. So also you can go and just click on the source icon, and you can go for the source product here. So here you can see that with the help of this simple step, you can easily source the product on your Amazon app by using the camera or image. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.